Looking to upgrade your car stereo without the hassle? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit promises a seamless fit right where your factory stereo sits. Designed to accommodate double DIN stereos with a screen size up to 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm. This kit ensures your new system looks like it was made for your dash, because it was. I've seen plenty of dash kits that don't quite match the factory color or texture, leaving awkward gaps or a mismatched look. Not this one. Scosche's precision engineering means the dash kit fits perfectly with no gaps, blending naturally with your car's interior. Plus, the color and texture are carefully matched to factory specs, so your upgrade feels like an original part of your vehicle. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. No special tools are needed, and the kit comes with clear, step-by-step instructions. One smart feature is the break-off connection pieces tailored for different car models. It takes a little patience and the right tools to snap off the parts you don't need, but once you do, the kit fits snugly and securely. For example, a 2003 Toyota Matrix owner reported that after nearly a year, the kit still holds up perfectly with their double DIN radio installed. Scosche isn't new to this game. They've been crafting high-quality, affordable car stereo accessories for over 40 years. Their product line includes wiring harnesses, adapters, amplifier kits, and more, all designed with the same attention to detail and durability. What stands out is their commitment to support. Lifetime tech assistance means you can get expert help anytime you have questions, for as long as you own the product. If you want a dash kit that fits like a glove, matches your car's interior, and comes from a trusted brand with decades of experience, this Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit is worth a look. It makes upgrading your stereo less about frustration and more about enjoying your ride. Ready to make the switch? Try the Scosche Dash Kit when you're ready to elevate your car audio experience. It's designed to simplify installation and deliver a clean, factory-fresh look that lasts.